Okay, so let's look at this question here. So the question reads, they're saying express the following in the form a over b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to what? To 0. Okay, so we start with the first one there. So this one is very simple. We're going to say let x be equals to 0.5 bar. Okay, so we see that the repeating part is immediately after the decimal point. Okay, and then we are going to make 10x here. Okay, because we are only required to move this point once so that we have another number that has 5 bars repeating. So I'm going to move this decimal place from here one time to the what? To the right. So this 10x, or when I multiply this x by 10, it will just be equals to, okay, 5.5 bar. Okay, so this is what I have here. So now to express this guy as a fraction, we're going to say 10x minus x. Okay, so this will be equals to, we're going to have 5.5 bar representing this 10x. Okay, and then we divide all this, not division here, we said minus. Okay, and then the x there is just the 0.5, so 0.5 bar there. So you can see that after the decimal place we have the repeating part. Okay, so let's find the answer there. So we are going to say this is equals to, here when we subtract, this repeating part will go, so we have 0, and then 5 minus 0, it will just be 5. Okay, and then on the other side here it will be 10x minus 9, which will just be what? 9x. So for us to find the value of x, which will be our fraction, okay, we are going to divide both sides by 9. So this is 9x is equals to 5. Okay, so divide both sides by 9, divide this side by 9. We're just going to have x is equals to 5 over 9. So do we have any numbers that can go into 5 and 9 without leaving a remainder? We do not. Okay, so this one here is the fraction form of 0.5 what? Bar. So this one here is our answer. Okay, all right, so let's look at the second one there. Okay, let's look at the second one. The second one is also a more direct question. Okay, so we are going to move from the difficult one, the simple ones to the difficult ones. Okay, so the second one, we are going to say let our x be equals to 0.12 bar. Okay, so what do we need to do to get another number that has a repeating 1 2? Okay, we just have to multiply this number by 100. So we are going to say 100x is equals to, so this point will move 1 2. No wonder we are saying 100 here, 2 zeros. Okay, so we are going to have 12.12 like this bar. Okay, so we can see the repeating part are after the point. So how are we going to turn this into a fraction? We are just going to say 100x is equals to, 100x minus, this should be minus, x is equals to, we have 12.12 bar minus, okay, what is the value of x? Is just 0.12 bar. Okay, and then here we subtract. Okay, so 100x minus x, we're going to get a 99x. This will be equals to, here we are going to have what? This 1 2 1 2, when we subtract, they're going to cancel. So we are just going to remain with what? A 12. So it means our x will just be equals to 12 divided by 99. So we do have numbers that can go into 12 and 99. So 3 into 12, we are going to have 4. And then 3 into 99, we're going to have 33. Okay, so 4 and 33, they do not have a common number that can go into them. So it means this 4 over 33 is our answer for the second question. Okay, so any questions there?
Why is it 100 minus x when this comma dash is on 2 digits?
Why is it what?
10 minus x instead of 100 minus x instead of 100 minus 10, since the dash is on 2 digits.
Okay, so this repeating part here comes immediately after the point. So our x value will just be this one here, okay, with 0.12. And then we want to find a second number such that the repeating part, okay, is also 1 2. So how can we make this x to be another number such that the repeating part is 1 2? So in this case the numbers that are repeating are 1 and 2. Okay, so we are going to move this decimal place 1 2 times. Okay, so since we've moved it 1 2 times, it just means that we are multiplying this by 100. Okay, so we are subtracting this 100x because it has the repeating part 1 2. Okay, and this x because it has the repeating part 1 2. Okay, so the decimal place is coming immediately there, so no wonder we are picking the x here. No wonder it's here. Okay, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, amazing. So now let's look at this difficult one here.